Hi guys, this is Robyn
and Jean
with Caribbean Wayz. We're on the plane right now on our way to Cancun, Mexico. We're going to be visiting Dreams Vista. We're very excited to show you this property and show you what they're doing to help with COVID and their procedures to help keep people safe. Hoping that we'll have a great trip. Stay with us so you can see more. That we got. So here we are. We are in the preferred club lounge. We have a preferred room, and we literally landed at 10:17. That was what time our flight was supposed to land. The process was so fast going through the airport. Like I said, our plane was not full by any means. We didn't have anybody in between us or next to us. We had plenty of social distancing going on. We got to the airport. It went so smooth. Came out of the airport. Our transfer was there waiting for us. So no problem again with social distancing. We got to the hotel. They gave us hand sanitizer as soon as we got off the bus. They also told us that they would be sanitizing the suitcases, which is fine. Then they brought us up to the preferred lounge. We are already checked in. We had some breakfast. And it's literally 12 o'clock, so that's how quick the process is. It's been amazing so far. Unfortunately, our room is not ready yet, but that's to be expected. Check-in time is 3 o'clock, so what we're gonna do is go up to the rooftop lounge, the preferred lounge, where the rooftop pool is, and we're gonna take you up there and show you that a little bit. First Corona.
We're on the rooftop right now, looking at the ocean right now. It looks so cool, man. It's so cool.
Unbelievable. The color of blues, the different colors of blue here are unbelievable. We are going to show you some of those shots. This is crazy beautiful.